Hi, my name is Vanessa Thomas and I own a brand and design agency. I engaged with Monica to unpack some limiting beliefs that I had about finances and how I wanted my business to grow. I knew I had a bit of a block and I attended a one-day workshop with her. I'd done a few things with Monica beforehand, just little little workshops, and I got such tremendous value out of it that I knew for certain that she would be able to unblock any of these limiting beliefs I had within my business and within me. What I guess I expected some little tips and tricks to sort of help to sort of shift my mindset, but what I got was something completely phenomenal. What I loved about the one day workshop with Monica was that she was able to fuse sort of your left side of the brain and your right side of the brain, I guess more your conscious and your subconscious together to help things shift. I got some fantastic practical tools with sort of the left hand side of the brain stuff, and then we did some of the right hand, so all the subconscious work and how I shifted stuff in the past that I didn't realize I was holding on to, belief systems that I thought validated me and what I believed to be true were not. And within such a short space of time, I was able to clear and lock, as Monica says, some anchoring into my body that I wake up with a pep in the morning. It's just, I can't describe how amazing it is. And it's a must for any business owner who has any limiting beliefs with financial and receiving money and their belief system around money. I can't recommend her enough. She's just wonderful. Monica, I love you dearly. Thank you.